Hi everyone, it's with our treasure home and welcome back to our channel. And today lunch I got my ninja back out. So they're out there cutting grass, and then weed eating. So that's one good thing about living in a apartment complex. You don't have to do any yard work. No cutting grass, no landscaping. Then we go by what they say. So with that, I'm going to turn this around and show you what I did. Alright, now I got the ninja. I have I cooked a sweet potato in here first. I steamed it, and then I added butternut squash and peas and carrots that I had canned. I'll try to remember to insert a picture. And then, I don't think I put enough water in there, but then I added rice and pressure cooked that for a couple minutes. Actually, it turned out really good. So I have some in a bowl, and all I seasoned it with was salt and pepper. So today's a kind of a busy day, so just quick and simple and easy. Get it done, and there we go. So this is lunch. Here we go. Definitely going to be good. So, and then we have a pot of tea over here because my son and daughter-in-law last week when they went grocery shopping found these lovely cups. And our challenge is to drink that much water in a day. But she doesn't like plain water. Anastasia and me and my son don't really care, but they like sweet tea, so that's going to be filled with sweet tea tonight. We'll see how it goes. I'm been behind, so I need to catch up. Yes, I don't drink as much water during the day, as I thought I did, and I've got to change. So now, we're going to do, let's try to let this cool a little bit. Oh, it smells good. So, sweet potato, butternut squash, green peas, and carrots. Awesome. Because the rice could been a little bit. I should have added more water because I thought I had more water in than I did. But it's not too bad. It's really good. I would do it again. I might have some for supper tonight because I still have a lot. Now, I'm not going to eat all that for lunch. So, I will have some of that for dinner tonight. And then I'm working on some other projects that I will bring you along with. And then some other things I'm going to show you. But I'm not going to do it with the camera. I'll be at the computer. And that's not fun because I can't do the little things. But if you haven't, come along with us. And I'll show you what we do. We're dairy free, and I have alpha gal, which is I can't have your red meats, your cows, your pigs, any animal dairy like that. But lots of fish and chicken and turkey. I don't like fish, but I'm working on that because now I have a whole lot of salmon. So, I had done some salmon cakes a couple of weeks ago, and I enjoyed it, and I can, add so many things to it to, make it taste better. But I will be doing some more dishes with those also. So, like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.